it going? This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. So today I've got one from Simply Food of Vietnam. I don't know why, but whenever I say Vietnam, my brain tries to say Taiwan. I apologize to Vietnam for this. Anyways, Simply Food HODL noodle. It says stonks. So I will clue you in as I had to be clued in by the intranets, the interwebs, whatever you want to call it. I don't care. But it has to do with cryptocurrency. So what it is HODL means hold on for dear life. So if you have cryptocurrency, HODL kind of means hang on to your Bitcoins and Dogecoins and all that stuff. I think. Pretty sure. And let me turn this down a little bit. And I guess these are kind of collectible. I don't know. There's like a lot of snap, crackling, and popping over there. Jeez. Here is, looks like veggies. This sachet is neat. I don't see it often, anything like this. But it's got happy faces with tears on them, which makes me think this might be really spicy. I don't know. But it says HODL tear. But it's a sachet. Is it HODL tear? It looks like, I mean, it's got a tear on the happy face. Doesn't look to be particularly spicy. I guess this is a limited edition too for people who collect things having to do with crypto. So, blockchain. I'm just like, I wish I was into it. I wish I understood what it all meant, and I wish I had a crap load of money. What I get out of it is basically the old way of getting super rich and making tons and tons of money. I think people that had tons and tons of money wanted more of the tons and tons of money. So they figured out a way to make their own money by making their own money. Okay, there we go. 3 minutes. So that's kind of weird and interesting. Oh yeah, and then on the other side, over here, it says stonks. And I looked that up. And stonk was a misspelling for stock. And it turned into kind of like a little meme of the idea that, you know, somebody who doesn't know a lot about the stock market would say, I'm going to order some stonks. You know, they just like, I want some bubblegum stonks. But yeah, that's it. That's what's going on. But an interesting theme for an instant noodle product nonetheless. I think that's a trip. Oh, what's going on? It's windy, it's rainy, it's yucky outside. I'll probably make myself go outside and pace around outdoors. It's a thing to do. I do things. It's 8:16 in the AM on November 30th, 2021. Big news right now is the Omicron variant, and Japan has closed its borders to foreign nationals. If I want to go to Japan, nope, sorry. I don't blame them. I don't blame them. The other one is, so they forgot they skipped 2 Greek letters. And some people are having a tizzy about that, which is kind of like, you know, there's a horrible disease around. Yeah, but why don't we spell disease this way? It's like, dude, who gives a crap, you know? But I guess The next Greek letter after delta was nu, which is nu, and they didn't want people to think that it meant it was like, hey, it's new and improved. And then the next one was xi, which isn't pronounced the same as she, but that's like a really prominent Chinese name, and with all the crap with like, you know, there's even a whole movement, the whole Stop Asian Hate thing, because some people just decided, hey, if you're of Asian descent, it's your fault that there's a pandemic, which is totally not the case. So I don't know. If you really want to get after somebody, I'm pretty sure if you really want to get after somebody for the coronavirus, blame planet Earth. Blame the fact that we're biological organisms, and blame them for not making us our machine bodies yet. We can't get on the Galaxy Express. We can't go to the, what is that planet? The mechanized planet? Mechanized planet Maytel? Yeah. Anyways, if you have any idea what I'm talking about, you can say something, but if you don't, then just ignore the crap out of me. Anime movie. If you haven't seen it, Galaxy Express 999. Good movie. And then there's a TV show. The movie was just like bits and pieces. What? Are you enjoying your banana? Are you done? Oh, you're so tired? Why don't you let Mimi finish the banana? These are the conversations I have with my children. Eat banana, Mimi. They're having a debate about if she's going to eat banana or not. Let's try the HODL. I like the noodle. It's nice and thin. Oh, if it fell on the floor, you don't want a fuzzy banana, throw it in the trash.
It was on here, and then it fell it on the floor.
Thank you for being a responsible member of our collective meeting. It's very buttery. Not salty. I mean, not spicy. It's salty. Well, there's a little hit of spice. That's quite good. I do like that. Let's set up. Then grab the remote. Don't put the remote in your mouth and watch your Elsa toys. Okay, well, you know what to do. You know what to do. Oh, a lot of vegetable. Whoa, turn it down. Too loud, too loud. Really? Do I have to go mess with the remote? I'm doing a show! It's too loud, Mimi. Alright, let's add some egg. I still need to get a nice piece of fishing line. I had this weird elasticy fishing line. I need like real fishing line. Because what you do is you find something you can tie the fishing line to and pull it tight, and then take your egg and slice it through it. And you're good to go. Egg and egg. And for some reason I thought this was almost going to be like a Korean style variety, so, but I don't see why beef would not complement. A bit of beef. Sauteed beef, ladies and gentlemen. Sauteed it just before 7 in the morning, I think. They're watching, so the big thing my daughter's into, and my son watches it too. He's pretty flexible on the stuff they watch. Is they call it the Elsa toys. So what they do is they search for frozen toys. So they're all like unboxing videos and these weird videos like grown women playing with toys. And sometimes they'll have like all these dolls and they'll be like just like playing with them. But they have like some that are almost like a telenovela. I mean, it just goes and goes and goes, and they really like it. I think it's kind of disturbing. The worst though, there was one that was I think it was Australian. That's what the accent sounds like. But they're trying to talk like babies. And I tell you what, the most horrible sound in the world is someone trying to sound like this and talking with an Australian accent. It's really bad. You do about 5 minutes of that and you're in hell. Let's rotato. Stop your yammering and hollering. It's gonna be alright. Alright, well, that's that. I'm done. It's only 8:25. Sweet. That's been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.